Only once in your lifetime comes the magic of truly great music.
I search for tomorrow.
The D-Sticker Ensemble present their brand new album, The Sound of Sticker, with 14 classic recordings. Each song it will take you on the wildest ride of your life.
I gotta say it's a perfect fit, but you won't put in charm, and then you went and took advantage of it.
So now, you can enjoy one of the world's most famous and stirringly original bands anytime you want.
And I don't have the patience to learn them all and relate.
These unforgettable songs have touched a whole generation, with hits like 75 Cents,
75 cents. If you got it, it's your money.
featuring everyone's favorite chanteuse, Shirley.
75 cents. It's not quite a dollar. 75 cents. But it's better than a quarter. 75 cents. It knows not what you're thinking. 75 cents.
Classic recordings of incredible beauty.
And maybe be a southern gentleman.
Every song just makes you feel great.
Leisurely and complete.
The D-Sticker Ensemble has captivated audiences in 42 countries and has already won 4 Gold Record Awards. This album is available at an amazingly low price on CD, vinyl, and digital download. When you order the deluxe vinyl package, it includes everything you see here, including a bonus 7-inch mystery disc of music that we can't reveal here. Oh, okay, here's a little hint.
Is that a combination locking all your secrets in a dream? Is that a power that had its way with all the girls on easily?
Here's how to order. Go to www.dstickerensemble.com to order your copy of The Sound of Sticker. Be sure to act now if you want to get the limited edition red vinyl package. Again, go to dstickerensemble.com right now to get The Sound of Sticker. Order yours today.